Read her the book.
I don't want to read.
I've never faced an enemy like cancer, but it's okay. I'm a fighter. Now I find out that Senator Lamar Alexander is against healthcare reform. Insurance companies are buying coverage for pre-existing conditions like cancer. He wants to
Brush
fight
the bear?
cancer and the insurance companies.
I think I don't have any more. I don't think I have any more hiccups.
Tell Senator Alexander to fight for
Just
us,
pretend.
not
I
the
don't know.
insurance companies.
They're all the same.
Do it again. A nice loud one.
Give me a kiss.